on, guys? It's your boy Mini Moto. We're coming back at you on the Champion today. We haven't rode this bike in a while. It has needed some work, but we're just gonna take this thing in the cane field, make a quick little video, go have some fun, see if she still got it. So we're just going to see what we can get into right quick before this rain comes in on us. Just gonna cut off in here. Last time I tried to come back here, it was wet. So I guess we'll see. Put my sunglasses down. There we go. Oh, she's a little rough. All that sugarcane, guys. I'm gonna have to be careful because there's ruts in here and I can't see them in this tall grass. That's something, guys. If you're riding these things off-road and this grass is tall like this, don't haul a butt. Trust me. I've learned from my mistakes in the past and hit things going way too fast and about hurt myself. Because this grass is about to my knees. I don't know if it looks like it on camera, but it's pretty friggin' tall. Alright, it's not as bad back here. A little bit loose, but nothing too crazy. Give the Champion a good old shakedown. We'll open it up here a little bit. Also, keep in mind your brakes don't work nearly as good in the dirt. Once again, ask me how I know. Starting to get them wheelies down. That 17-tooth sprocket and this 22mm carb made a huge difference on how easy it is to wheelie. Let's see, let's pick it up. Oh yeah. It's always a good time on the Icebear Champion. Oh, it's real loose over here. That's somebody's yard. Let's go see what's over here. Oh. See, now, like, this is what I'm talking about. I've never been back here before. So, I'm not going to be stupid and go hauling butt. Because that's how you get hurt. Now on the way back, if there's nothing crazy, I'm gonna haul butt, but that's on the way back. Dead end. Little U-turn. I can't get through that. Okay, so there was nothing crazy right here. It's real bumpy, but work with what you got. That's another thing. If you know people ride in the area that you're riding, don't go flying around corners, because one of the last times I was in here, we about hit some kid on a four-wheeler. Granted, he was hauling butt too. We both were in the wrong there, but you know, just look out for others, be courteous. You know, everybody's out here trying to ride. I love this bike, man. Especially now, like I said, with that 17mm sprocket and that 22mm carb. I know a lot of guys go with the, the Nibby 24. I ended up going with Dene. I think it's a Dene. Same thing as stock, but instead of a 19mm, I went to a 22mm. Just because I think the 24 is a little bit too much for what I'm doing with this bike, you know. I got plenty of power now with the 22, so point being, she runs good. Hi, birdies! Man, this thing sounds great with this cheap Amazon exhaust and that 22mm. It revs up good. Pulls hard. I mean, it pulls hard for a 125. These Pirelli SL60s, I got about 823 miles on her now. Or him, I should say. My bike has a name. My champion's name is Chip. Chip the Champion. Alright. Let's go back to the street. I think this carb needs adjusted a little bit more. Just because it has a bit of a spit and sputter somewhere in the middle of the RPM range. But quick throttle and full throttle, it runs great. So honestly, I probably won't mess with it. Runs too damn good. Alright guys, well, I guess it's time to go home. I haven't been really riding this bike much because, like I said, it's been needing some work. It still needs some work. The tail light's out right now, which is kind of why we're doing an off-road video. Can't be getting tickets on this thing. Last thing I want is my buddy to get taken away. That would suck. We're gonna do a couple more wheelies and then we're gonna call it quits. Too much brake. Let's get to a straight part of the road here. Hey, everybody's loving it. Putting in that fucking work, man. Gotta keep that thing up. So quick announcement while I'm thinking about it. Recently I picked up a cheap two-stroke scooter. And I think I'm going to be doing a cheap scooter build series on it. So it'll definitely be on the channel in the future. Be on the lookout for that. Oh, don't hurt yourself. The deadly grass. I ain't scared. Alright guys, so we're going to cut the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. More content coming soon. I have a little bit more free time now. We've slowed down at work with the end of riding season and, you know, that sort of thing. So be on the lookout for more content. Be on the lookout for the cheap scooter build. It's a 2-stroke, like I said. I won't reveal what it is until I get it running. But yeah, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.